We did it. 2,500 subscribers. Can you believe it? Because I barely can. 8 months ago, I hit upload on my very first video, and somehow this wild, weird and wonderful community has skyrocketed beyond my wildest dreams. Every single one of you, yes, you, made this happen by watching my endless ramblings, smashing that subscribe button, and being part of this ever-growing Fully Lumed family. I appreciate you more than you could possibly express, though trust me, I keep trying. Now, let's talk about what you're really here for, the epic 2,500 subscriber giveaway. One lucky winner is about to claim a seriously stunning timepiece, the Volkov Janus Dual Dial. This watch isn't just a watch, it's 2 watches in one, a true masterpiece of design and craftsmanship. Whoever wins this beauty is in for a real treat. Here's how to claim your prize. Email me at hello@fullylumed.com with proof you are indeed you. Just send a screenshot of your YouTube homepage with your username clearly visible. Easy as that. Now, let's get to the moment of truth. No more waffle, let's pick a winner using pickawinner.co. Let's paste the video into the URL. And it's loading up comments. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. And the winner is Griffin14. Huge congratulations. Shoot me an email with your full name and address and I'll get this watch shipped out to you ASAP. And for everyone else, don't be disheartened. I've got more giveaways coming up, sooner than you think. Seriously, one is right around the corner. Stay tuned, keep checking back and make sure those notifications are on. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching, liking, subscribing and being part of this amazing journey. I'll keep bringing you content, hopefully more regularly, and I'll keep the giveaways rolling as my way of giving back. Stay awesome, stay fully lumed, and I'll see you in the next one.